welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to build a powerful website that's going to earn you money. So stick around while I show you how to do that on my system. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create this awesome online banking website. So on the top menu bar, you get to see that it has a language icon whereby you can change any language of your choice to understand what is being written on the website. So this website is a 4-page website. It comes with this firm, wealth management, business banking, investment banking, and your card. So over here on the internet banking is your login icon. So if you click here now, it's going to take us straight to our dashboard. I'm already logged in on this website. So this is the user dashboard over here. You get to see how simple and detailed. You don't have to be confused while using this dashboard. That's why it's created this way. So you have like you have your dashboard, you have your deposit money, transfer money, credit cards, your loan mortgages, and then your bank statement, which your account. So everything is actually here for you. Also, we're going to go back and trying to preview the landing page of this website. So scrolling down on this website, you get to see that it has this slideshow that looks very, very, very beautiful. It looks very, very beautiful and calming, using the wealth color to create this awesome website. So it makes your users feel comfortable and makes your users feel safe that their money is actually being invested in a very good and safe environment. So scrolling down, you get to see how beautiful this online banking website looks. And with this video here, showing you how you can make payments with your mobile phone, it's very awesome. So this is how the front end looks like. So we're going to go back to the admin area for you to see how you can operate this awesome website. So you're simply going to put in your URL/admin, and then it will take you to the admin area. So over here now is the admin area. Here is where you can manage your users. Here you can manage your total balance in your website, manage your users, total wire transfer, total domestic, total current balance and total savings balance here, total card. So this is where you see mainly the statistics of what is going on your website. So over here is where you get to see the visitors that visit your website and if they are online or if they've gone out. So here is our dashboard, which is this area we're seeing. Here is our credit/debit users. Here is our trace transaction history. You can check on your wire transaction history. You can create your own history here. So here is all virtual card, means all credit card or debit card. If they are virtually, you can be able to see it there. So here is your bank transactions, self transaction, wire transfer, and domestic transactions. So here is your deposit, your pending deposit transaction or approved deposit transaction. So here is where you send an SMS to all your visitors. You send SMS to all your visitors like a bulk SMS. So here's all your users. Here is where you can create a new user from the back end of this website. Here is a ticket where your users can be able to complain about some certain things that's going on the website. So here is where you edit your profile, your SMTP settings, your SMS API connected. So what this SMS API means is that you can actually integrate SMS API on this website, so you can send out notification OTP code to your users, so they can be able to use the OTP to log in on their website. So over here is sets crypto payments. Like, you can also activate your crypto payments on this website. Here is your system settings. Here is your system settings where you can change everything on your website. If you don't like the logo image, you can change it here. If you don't like the tax code, you can input a new tax code, a new IMF code, a new COT code. So you can literally re-edit everything here to your taste and your standard. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create this awesome website from scratch. You don't even need to have a coding experience before you can do this. You don't need to have a certificate on web development before you can be able to do this that I'm trying to do right now on this video. So it's going to take you like 10 to 15 minutes to create this awesome website for yourself if you are getting the script from us. So this is our channel. If you haven't subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can be able to be notified whenever we're dropping awesome videos just like this. And also, we already have videos that you might watch that will be very helpful for you. So while we dive in on this, you stay tuned and enjoy the video. So over here is my cPanel. In case you don't know how to get to this area, I already made a video that I'm going to attach to this video so you can be able to follow me step by step on how I got my domain name and propagate the domain name and created my website on that same domain name. So it's very explanatory for you to catch up even though you have no experience about this before. So I already created my subdomain on this cPanel, so I'm going to use this subdomain to create this awesome website of ours. So over here now is our subdomain. You can see that this directory is empty. What I need to do now is just for me to click on upload here and select my files. So I'm going to go on my desktop to look for this particular file that we are going to use for this website. So here is my file. I'm going to install it on the live server. So while we are doing this installation now, all we need to do here is to create our database. So we can go here, open new tab, and search for database wizard on this search icon here. So after searching for database wizard, we're going to see the first pop-up that says database wizard. Click on it and it will take you to this area. All you need to do is just to create a database user account for this website. So I'm going to show you how to connect your database user to the website so to make it go live without you connecting your database accounts to the website. It's actually not going to go live for people to see it. it's going to be giving you an error response, and we don't want that to happen to our website. So following this step-by-step guide that I'm giving out on this video will help you get accomplished in whatever you're doing on this script. So we're going to create a user, let's say user db. Click on the next step. So actually like using all the informations, so I don't get stressed out thinking of creating different name for this database. So I use all of them. I use the same name for all of them, both my password and my username. So I'm going to click on create. I'm going to click on all privileges here and make changes. So we're going to check if our file has been installed. Okay, we have like 16, 66, 67, 68% more. So while we are waiting for that to install, we already created our database. So after that, we're going to connect our database to the website. So stay tuned while we wait. So awesome, you can see that our file has been installed. So what we're going to do now is for us to close this area and go back to this file manager here. So once you get here, all you need to do now is just to click on this reload button here. Automatically you will get to see that the file that you just installed is here, but on a zip file. So what we're going to do here is for us to click on this file and right click on it and scroll down to extract, this extract icon here. Click on this extract and click on extract files. So we're trying to extract this file from the zip file here. So after extracting, we close here. So this zip file is no longer useful for us. So we're going to take it off from this live server. The reason why we're taking it off is because we don't want the load like this 7.674.78 MB to slow down our live server. So we're going to take it off because the work of this zip file is done here. So we already extracted the file and we're working with this very one alone. So while opening this file, what we need to do here is just for us to select this file and move it to our sub directory, which is this area. So you get to see that this is the folder's name here. So we're going to backspace and clean up this folder's name because we are moving it to the sub directory. Also, if you are doing this on your public underscore HTML, it's still the same process that I'm using here. If you want to move this file to your public underscore HTML, you have to clean the name of the folder and you get to public underscore HTML, then you click on move. So you can see that automatically every folder here has been moved to the subdirectory. So if I click on up one level here, you get to see that all the folders are here. Remember, we moved it from this folder. So if I click on this folder, it's empty now. There's nothing inside. So we go back and you get to see that all the folder has been moved. Now, what we need to do next is for us to download our database SQL file, which is this. Click on database. Let me go back. Click on database folder and click on this and click on download. So automatically we've downloaded this. What we're going to do now with this file that we just downloaded is for us to search for PHP MyAdmin. We're going to upload this on our PHP MyAdmin. So it will help us connect the website with our database. So we need to look for the database account that we created, which is this very one here. Click on it, click on import, choose file, go to download, click on this we just downloaded now, and click on import. So you can see that our import has been successfully finished. So what we need to do now is for us to connect our database. Remember I told you guys that we're going to connect our database to the website to make it run smoothly without any disturbance. So we're going to copy this and go to our file manager up one level. For us to connect our database, we're going to go to this configurations, this folder here, double click on it. Now we're going to go down to this config.php, right click and click on edit, click on edit again. So carefully pasting the information you just copied from your database, because if you don't do it carefully, it might not work. Now you get to see that there is a dot from the beginning and a dot from the end. That is the closing of the information that you are putting here. So what you're going to do here is for you to select carefully, just select on the letters here and paste yours. Don't interrupt any of this coding. Carefully select on the letters here and paste yours. Awesome. So what next we're going to do is for us to put in our URL on this area. So we're going to go back here, open our URL, copy our URL, come here and paste our URL. So you get to see that our URL is on this area right now. So now we're going to change this email, but we're going to create a professional email first before coming back to change this. But like this, our website is going to be live soon. So after doing this, what we need to do is to click on save changes. So now we're going to check our website to see if it's live. So awesome, you get to see that our website is live. See, our website is live. Exactly what I showed you earlier is what you are seeing right now. Exactly what I showed you earlier is what you're seeing right now. So our website is live and it's ready to serve you. It's ready to serve you. So over here now, what we're going to do here is for us to go to the admin area. For us to go to the admin area. Okay, now logging into the admin area, we need the information to log in. So on this subdomain, so what you need to do is just to scroll down a little bit to where you see readme, right click on it and click on view. Now clicking on it, you get to see how to install this script. How to install this script, step-by-step guide on how to install this script and how to connect your SMTP, how to connect every necessary thing on this script. So now what we need to do is for us to take the email for our admin so we can be able to log in the admin area. So over here we've copied the email and the password is 123456. So the password is 123456. Okay, now we're going to sign in to see the backend. Awesome. Awesome. You can see that this is the back end, the admin area of this awesome script. So if you click on this total user, we get to see more info on how many users that we have here. So this is the users available here. You have to view, and this is the active user available on this website. So what we're going to do now is for us to try creating an account on this website. We're going to try creating an account on this website to see. But first, before we do that, we need to put up our SMTP. So we're going to create an email. So what we need to do now is just for us to go back to our cPanel, go to home on the cPanel, click on the email area here, click on email accounts, click on create. Now we're going to write info.innovoclass.com.ng. Mind you, this script will be off this live server because this is for tutorial purpose only. It's not going to be live. It's going to be deleted soon. So I'm glad that I'm making a video for you guys to know how to do something like this. So create your email. Now, after creating your email, what we're going to do now here is for us to go down here and set up our SMTP. Now you get to see that the name of the website that is going to display is here. Now we're going to connect our SMTP to this website. What we're going to do here is for us to click on disconnect devices, scroll down to outgoing, copy this, paste it on this SMTP host, go back again, copy the username, which is your email that you just created, paste it on SMTP username. So over here, we're still going to copy our from email, copy the same host and paste here. Now our password, we're going to put in our password here. So this is how easy it is for you to set up your SMTP. How easy it is for you to set up your SMTP. So it's very, very easy. Now we have our SMTP set up. So what we're going to do now is for us to try creating an account with this powerful script that we just installed. So clicking on this open account area, you get to see that the interface of this area is so beautiful. So you click on your first name, let's just use a default information to create this account. Use a default information to create this account. Okay. Now coming over here, you get to see that they are giving you a 6-digit PIN code. They're giving you a 6-digit PIN code. So you can choose to change it to your preferred code that you want. So due to we are using this for a tutorial purpose, so I'm just going to use a very easy code
I can remember so fast. So now what we need to do now is for us to click on Get Started. So awesome, you can see that the account has been created for us. What we need to do now is for us to put that 6-digit PIN code that we created. So we are going to input our 6-digit PIN code and then click on Unlock. And this is it. You get to see how fast and reliable this script can be. Very, very, very fast. It's very, very fast. It's so fast that you don't even have to stress yourself. You don't even have to be a coding expert before you can be able to get this pulled off. So this is it. We have an account. This is your current account. This is your savings account. So total visitor, you get to see total paid people. You get to see all the statistics on the account. So you get to add money, you get to transfer money, you get to perform transactions on this account. So I have to show you guys. We're going to check on the user that we just created over here. Okay, this is it. We're going to view. So over here you can edit everything you want to edit here. You can approve the KYC here. You can add an account address, edit the account information, and just do what you want to do on this area. So this script is powerful, and if you are interested in getting it, I'm going to drop a link where you can get this awesome script. So it will be very, very easy for you to install. And also, if you need help with anything, my phone number is going to be there for you to reach out and tell me what you want me to help you with. So thank you guys for watching, and please, if you've not subscribed on our channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we are dropping awesome videos like this. So see you on the next one, guys.
Was this video helpful for you? If it is, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first person to be notified whenever we're dropping awesome videos just like this. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day.